Creating a family tree is an excellent way to visualize your ancestry and understand familial relationships. Follow these 3 steps to construct a clear and professional family tree. Step 1. Gather information. Start by collecting information about your family members. Include names, birth dates, marriage dates, and other relevant details. Step 2. Organize and add family members. Begin with the oldest known ancestor at the top or center of your tree. Draw branches to represent their children, and from each child create further branches for their descendants. Label each person with their full name and relevant dates to maintain clarity. Step 3. Review and expand. Review your family tree for accuracy and completeness. Ensure that all family members are correctly placed and that relationships are clearly represented. Expand your tree by adding additional details, such as photos, notes, or significant life events. Continuously update your tree as you discover new information or as your family grows. By following these steps, you can create a detailed and professional family tree that accurately represents your family's history, helping you to understand and preserve your heritage.